All right, so I'm just going to kind of run over our entire week and what's coming up so you guys just kind of have a heads up. Today we're going to work on an assignment on seafloor spreading and the polar magnetism. And then there is a short deal well for today. On Thursday, when I see you guys again, we're going to be watching a video called Colliding Continents. I think you've already seen a couple clips from it, but we're going to watch the entire thing as kind of a summation of everything that we've learned so far. For those of you that are online, it is on YouTube, so that way you guys can watch it and not get it completely frozen and lagging. It is not blocked. I've made sure of that, as long as you're logged into YouTube. And then you guys, I won't see you again until Tuesday. I accidentally put the 15th, but you guys have all of next week off from school. So you guys have no school next week unless your parents are attending parent-teacher conferences. All right, so when you come back, you will have a quiz on all the continental drift stuff that we've done. No crazy hexagon stuff this time. It is just a normal quiz when you come back from break. So when is that actually? That's the 22nd. So do you guys have any questions on what we're doing this week? All right, so today's assignment, I'm going to walk you through a little bit. I will leave you to the reading portion of it, though. Go ahead and download it. Make sure you open it up in Word, not Office 365. Mm-hmm. All right. It's all right. And it should look like this. Oh my gosh, it's actually not too bad. I had people finishing class yesterday, so it's not too bad.
Can you help me? Real? Yeah. Oh, that's not good to know. Do I know how to do it? Probably not. Oh. I mean, at least I got a grade on it. I haven't done any work in this class. We're just drafting.
Huh? The one that's highlighted, seafloor spreading.
Oh, bro. Go ahead and download it. What are you doing math class? Well, okay, I like the class. I just don't want to do the work. That's just all classes. Welcome. This is the only class I have in ethics. I don't do the work. I'm not even in this class. What class are you supposed to be in? I don't have a class right now. Oh. You're just here? My free period, yeah. How do you already have a free period? I already graduated high school. I'm in college. Hopefully not. I don't understand. I don't understand. Don't understand. That's why I had a free period.
Oh.
So I got the big grade. Well, I've had half to do.
So you could, Eliza, open it in the Word doc, like on the computer. Don't open it from, don't upload it into 365 and open it from there, because 365 doesn't give you the option to draw on the laptop, which you guys will have to do today. All right. Yep, you're good. She's got to restart. Okay. So everyone's good. So again, I'm going to let you guys kind of read the introduction. It gives you some more information about the magnetism and the polar wandering. Alyssa, did you watch me open it on my computer? Where I downloaded it from Canvas and then I opened it. That's what I need you to do. All right. What you're going to end up making today, you are going to do a little graphing, but one of the things you're also going to make today looks like this part right up here, which shows us the magnetism pattern on either side of the mid-Atlantic ridge, or a mid-ocean ridge in general. Okay, so down here it talks about the graphing, and I'll explain some of it. but I gotta zoom out a little bit. I have to zoom out 400 times, so just bear with me. So we've got our information up here. We've got our graph right here, which the graph is really easy. And then we've got the magnetic polarity part down here that we're going to end up drawing to make it kind of look like with that barcode look, where there's the black and white bars or stripes. So what you guys are going to do is you have longitude and the age in millions of years on your graph. So it's a simple, normal plot the information. So our first one, I always forget, is 30 degrees west and 180 million years old. Okay, so 30 degrees west is right down here. I gotta zoom out again. Yep. 180 is all the way at the top. So I'm gonna plot my pretty little point. Right? So there's my first point. It is a beautiful dot. So you're gonna go through and it's in order, it's super easy. And so it follows the graph. This is your x-axis, and then this is your y. All right. Any questions about the graphing part? X, Y, put it on the graph, just like you're in math class. We just added letters. Okay. The second part is where the north and south parts come in right here, our magnetic polarity. So anytime you see N here, that is where north is north. That is a normal polarity. Anytime you see the S for south, that is a reversed polarity. So that's when the poles flip and north is south and south is north. Because that's not confusing, right? So just think of them as reversed. And what you're going to do, according to down here, is you're going to color in any part of this, and it matches up with your graph for a reason, where it aligns with normal, you'll color it in, reversed, you can just leave it blank. You don't have to color it white. The paper is white, just leave it blank. All right, so you'll plot your points on here, and then you're going to tell me, like, hey, this part is, I'm going to change it to black really quick. Maybe, I think that's black. Hey, this first section is north, so that gets colored black. So I don't draw very straight lines, sorry guys, but coloring it in black. The second section is north, so follow the second section down. Ooh, again, I don't draw straight lines. It's okay, it won't be perfect. All right, so these are all normal periods of magnetic polarity. My next section is reversed. So it's gonna stay white. So I'm just gonna draw a line so I know where it ends, because that one was better. My next section is north. So I'm just making my little barcode looking thing down here. You're going to end with something that looks similar to this right here. Okay. So I was drawing in the black and leaving the white spaces. So you're going to have this part. You can ignore this. You don't have to look at that. Okay. So that is all you're going to end up making. And it will make a pattern. It should make a pattern along your mid-ocean ridge. And then all that's after that is some questions. Again, like read the paragraph for some of that information, and you'll be looking at your graph and your magnetic polarity bar for the rest of the information. Do you guys have any questions about what to do? Right, there's a difference. All right. All right, so I'll let you start getting to work on your own. Let me know if you need help. If I'm not helping somebody, I'm probably going to be back behind my computer grading. So you'll have to interrupt me, and that's totally okay. All right, so get to work and let me know if you have any questions.
Okay. For the south, where is south on?
You don't? Yep, thank you. Oh, God, I need you around more often. You also skipped a line.
I know, that's why I have south on.
So your graph is good. You got all the right points. Don't worry about the name. That polarity is not here. Okay. Yeah. You would just write that. Oh, yeah. You double click.
It's going down. There's no point in this. Why'd you start recording?